Question for you. If you save 30% off the price of a brand new truck, how much truck do you get? That's right, 70%. No. But where is the saving?
Keep going.
This feels like 70%.
And you get the whole truck.
Okay, so I don't get that one?
You get 100% of them. You get all the tread on 3 tires. 100% of the tires.
What are you taking from me? How many cylinders is this one?
8.
And how many will mine have?
8. I don't think he gets it. So come down to Abbotsford Chrysler where we have 30% off of 100% a truck.
I don't get it.